These are the latest updates in the parking industry. When it comes to car park construction, steel and concrete is not the only way. Ballast Nedam Parking recently finished construction of the Park and Ride facility in Dieren, the Netherlands, with over 300 spaces. The car park has a sustainable facade of acacia wood that matches the overall city project, which includes a pedestrian bridge that connects both the side of the stations, a tunnel for ongoing traffic, and an overall traffic flow improvement for the area. Parking in the city centre is a challenge for all cities. Space is limited and the demand is constantly high. Fortunately for Seinäjoki, SeiPark's brand new car park provides drivers with a smooth visit to the city centre with Portier vision. The camera-based parking guidance system eases the search for parking, creates a pleasant environment with the use of background music, and increases security with license plate recognition. The Zwolle City Council was recently faced with the challenge of meeting the demand for parking, while at the same time making sure the construction was efficient and durable. Ballast was contracted by construction firm BAM to install the flooring in the new car park and provided advice on how to prevent problems due to the formation of the cracks in the concrete subfloor caused by thermal stress. Parking at state parks in the US is sometimes a challenge for drivers. Payment is usually only in cash, and there isn't always a parking attendant present to receive payment. Fortunately for visitors at the Colorado state parks, Flowbird Group recently began installing automated self-service pay systems that are weather resistant and more convenient for customers thanks to the different payment methods. Registrations for the third edition of the Shopping Center Parking Network event are now open. Join us for over 20 hours of shopping center-focused networking in Amsterdam from October 14 to the 16th. Visit parkingevent.com for more information about the registrations for operators as well as for companies wishing to exhibit. Other parking events to look out for: the 2018 NPA Convention and Expo in Las Vegas, the Airport Parking Network event in Paris Charles de Gaulle, and the Venue Parking Network event in Amsterdam. For more information about the events, visit the Events tab at parking-net.com. That's it for this week's Parking Network news. Make sure to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Instagram to stay up to date with the latest developments in the parking industry. I'm Caroline Molina. See you next time.